In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix scheduling issues in Meta Business Suite. If you've ever found yourself frustrated because your carefully planned post didn't go out as scheduled, you know how inconvenient that can be. Fortunately, we're here to help you resolve these issues efficiently so you can get back to making the most of your social media presence. Let's begin with one of the most basic troubleshooting steps that can sometimes be easily overlooked. Checking your internet connection. Often a weak or unstable connection might be the root cause of scheduling failures. Make sure you're connected to a reliable network, and if you're unsure, try refreshing the connection or switching to a different network to see if that addresses the problem. Next, we need to clear your browser's cache and cookies, as they can sometimes store outdated data that conflicts with Meta Business Suite operations. Clearing these can help reset your browser's memory and ensure that everything runs smoothly. Depending on which browser you're using, the method to clear cache and cookies might differ slightly, but generally you can find this option in the Settings or Preferences menu under Privacy or Browsing Data. After that, it's crucial to confirm that you have the proper permissions and are attempting to schedule posts on a valid Facebook page. Without the correct permissions, you may find that your posts aren't going through as expected. Double check that you're logged into the correct account and that you have admin or editor access to the page you're working on. If you're still experiencing issues, ensure that the media you're trying to schedule meets Meta's requirements. Sometimes incompatible formats or oversized files can prevent postings from being scheduled successfully. Make sure your images, videos, and other media adhere to the size and format specifications laid out by Meta. Additionally, trying a different browser or device can sometimes unveil that the issue stems from a particular setup. Switching can help determine if the problem is isolated to your current browser or device. If this works, it might be time to update your current software or switch to a more compatible option. Lastly, if a post has already failed to be scheduled, you can manually publish it from the Scheduled tab. Locate the post you plan to send, select it, and click the Publish Now button. This adjustment will allow you to share the content immediately, bypassing the scheduling system for the moment. With these steps in mind, you should be well on your way to resolving any scheduling issues in Meta Business Suite. By maintaining a solid internet connection, regularly clearing cache, verifying permissions, ensuring media compatibility, and being open to using different browsers or devices, you'll minimize potential problems and keep your posts rolling out right on schedule. I hope this helps you navigate these scheduling challenges with greater ease and success.